Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. This year, winter is back with a vengeance, and so in order to keep up with the theme of wintertime comfort foods, today I'm going to show you how to make chili con carne. Chili con carne is a simple but full-flavored tomato and beef stew, with a little bit of kick coming from the eponymous chilies. I promise that this dish will warm you inside and out, and become a staple dish for you in the winters to come. When I was a kid, my dad used to make this chili every winter, giving this dish a special meaning to me as a winter comfort food, and so I'm excited to share it with you today. But without further ado, let's get to it. To start, we will prepare all the ingredients for the chili. First, take around a half pound of white mushrooms, then to each mushroom, remove the stem and thinly slice the cap. Removing the stem simply makes it easier to slice the mushroom cap evenly. But don't throw out the stem, you can slice it and put it in the chili too. Next, take a red bell pepper, remove the top and place it upside down on the cutting board. Cut along the curve of the pepper to easily remove the outside of the pepper from the core. This is a quick and easy way to remove the core from a pepper without having to mess with any seeds. Then, take the red pepper slices, lay them flat against the cutting board and slice them evenly into sticks. Finally, cut across the pepper sticks to finish cutting the pepper into pieces. Next, take a jalapeno pepper and simply slice it into rings along the length. And dice some onions finely using the cutting technique from my bruschetta video. I'll link it down below. Lastly, use a garlic press to press a few cloves of garlic into a small bowl. Now, we are ready to start cooking the chili. To start, we will prepare the tomato base for the chili. You can use a can of crushed tomatoes for your base if you have it, but I recommend starting with canned whole tomatoes, as the texture of the end result is much better. So, simply pop your cans open with a can opener and pour them into a large pot. Bring this pot to a boil over medium heat. While the tomato base is heating up, we will prepare the meat for the chili. So, add a touch of olive oil to a frying pan over high heat, and when it comes to temperature, add in the onions and minced garlic and fry until fragrant. Then, add in your ground beef and break it up finely with a wooden spatula while frying in the pan. When the meat is almost fully cooked, add in a couple of pinches of salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and a tablespoon of chili powder. Then stir fry the meat until the spice is completely mixed. Continue stirring until the meat is finished cooking. At this point, your tomato base should have started boiling, so immediately add in the meat mixture we just prepared. Then, add in the mushrooms, the diced red peppers, 1 can of red kidney beans, and finally, the sliced jalapeno peppers. Cover the pot, bring to a boil, and then turn down and simmer for about 2 hours. After 2 hours of simmering, add to the pot 1 can of tomato paste to thicken the chili. At this point, we want to add in another tablespoon of chili powder to bring out the flavor of the chili, as well as my dad's chili secret weapon, a heaping tablespoon of brown sugar. Adjust the seasoning of your chili appropriately, and then stir everything in until it's completely mixed. Cover and simmer the chili for at least another hour, but I'd recommend simmering for another 2 to 3 hours to really let the flavors stew. When the chili is finished simmering, it's ready to serve. But first, we're going to slice a couple of slices of our favorite bread to go with the chili. Here, I decided to go with some pugliese. To serve, simply ladle your beautiful chili into a large soup bowl. For some extra flavor, top with a little bit of your favorite shredded cheese. For a bit of a decorative flair, garnish with a sprig of curly parsley. Then finally, pair with that freshly sliced bread. And with that, our truly outstanding chili con carne is finished and we are ready to dig in. Chili con carne is a dish with a truly deep flavor profile, and this version is no exception. You can taste the individual contributions of each ingredient in every bite, including that faint hint of sweetness from the brown sugar. And don't forget to try chili with some bread, because it's a match made in heaven. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video and I hope you really enjoyed it. Please thumbs up this video if you liked it, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. I hope to see you next time. Bye!